Let me show you a Blender add-on that cleans up booleans, creates cages, renames, bakes maps, generates LODs, and much more, all in one place. Also, it bypasses Blender's bake limitation. This is important and I'll show you what it means. This add-on initially created by me as a script to make my game-ready asset creation workflow easier. Then I decided to share it with people so it can help you too, whether you are organizing assets or preparing them for export. GReady brings everything together in one place, making your process a little smoother and faster. First, Easy Loop tool. This tool allows you to select edge loops where Blender's default loop selection tool may fail. This makes it much easier to work with complex meshes. Boolean Cleanup. This helps you merge vertices that are left behind from booleans, making your mesh much cleaner and ready for next steps. Surface Select. It can select surfaces by angle, which is particularly useful when you are assigning materials. It's a fast way to target specific parts of your mesh based on its geometry. Add Bevel Shader. Easily change the radius of the bevel and apply it to your mesh. This is a fantastic tool for hard surface modeling. It gives you more cleaner bevels. Auto Rename. This tool automatically determines whether an object is high poly or low poly based on the bounding box, pivot point, and polygon counts. It helps you stay organized when dealing with multiple assets. One-click batch cage creation. This tool automatically generates cage meshes for baking, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. You can define the offset, but also modify any cage mesh after generation. This means you can bake with variable offsets, just like in Marmoset toolbag. One-click baking. Easily bake normal maps, ambient occlusion, and any other maps by selecting your high poly and low poly objects. You can even bake with multiple cage objects simultaneously. GReady bypasses Blender's limitations, enabling working with many high, low, and cage meshes at once, offering more flexibility during the baking process. Quick start by adding modifiers. With just a few clicks, you can initiate sub-D modeling. This allows you to create any shape quickly and easily. You can also control subdivision levels and decimate levels, letting you adjust geometry as needed. One-click bevel weight and crease. Just select your edges and with one click you can add bevel weight or crease. If you want an edge to be super sharp, you can use crease. If you want a softer rounded edge, use bevel weight. You can easily control the level of subdivision and decimation, giving you more flexibility when adjusting geometry. This is especially helpful when transitioning between low poly and high poly versions. Toggle booleans, sub-D and decimate. Easily move back and forth between low and high poly versions of your mesh. This is great for managing your assets during modeling and helps you stay organized throughout the process. Automatic LOD creation. Create LODs with less broken shading. While perfect shading isn't always possible with automatic LOD generation, GReady helps improve it, making your assets look much better in Game Engine. Bonus tip. For slice booleans, use this with a ND add-on, which is free. Then you can easily switch between high and low poly by toggling modifiers, all in a non-destructive way. GReady is packed with tools to help streamline your asset creation process. If you find it useful, I'll be pinning a promo code in the comments so you can get the add-on for free. However, if you'd like to support the development of the add-on, feel free to buy it for $5. It will help me keep improving and adding new features. That's GReady, a simpler, faster way to work in Blender. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tools. Thank you. The link is below and thanks for your support. I tested the add-on on Windows on Blender 4.3 and 4.4, and it seems pretty stable. It's also working on Blender 4.0, but you might get some warning messages. In my next video, I'll show you my workflow, which is Bevel sub-D combined with booleans, using this add-on. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch.